Google Keep is a note-taking app that allows you to make, edit, and share notes. You can keep both offline and online notes on it and can access the same notes on different devices. In this video, we will use Google Keep on an Android phone, but don't worry, it's similar to other devices with some slight changes. The first step is to install the Google Keep app on your phone. Open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, write Google Keep. Then tap on the Install button. Now tap Open and next Get Started. You are now on the Google Keep home screen. To speak about its interface, in the upper bar there is a menu, a search bar, and a view option with two views, a single column and a multi-column view. Besides that, you will see your Google account. Remember that you cannot give a password or lock notes on Google Keep. The middle section is for all of your notes, and in the lower bar you can see Google Keep's key tools. To create a new note in Keep, tap on the plus icon. This is your main note window. Write your note here and give a title to it so you can remember it later. Undo and redo are in the bottom center. When you are done, tap the back button. Google Keep has several useful note-taking features. Making a list in Keep will help you keep track of your tasks. Tap the checkbox icon to make a new list. Now add items to it. To add a new item, tap the list item or enter on your keyboard. To remove an item, tap the close. You can reorder the list by tapping and holding the move icon, then dragging it to the desired location. To indent a list item, tap and hold the move icon and drag it to the right. To undo, drag it to the left. To change a note to a list, tap on the add icon and then select tick boxes. To turn to the earlier state, tap on the option and select hide checkboxes. Even more, you can have numbers and bulleted lists in Keep. For numbers, write the first digit, then tap space, and after that, write an item name and tap enter. It will generate an automatic list. For bullets, write an asterisk or star symbol instead of a number. Keep allows you to save images such as a receipt or art as notes. To create an image note, tap on the image. Here either take photo or choose image from your library. To create a drawing note, tap on the brush icon and draw with your fingertip. You can access the various drawing tools from the bottom bar. A marker, pen, and a highlighter. Tap a tool twice to change its color or size. Tap the eraser to delete the shape and tap select to select any shape you have drawn. To draw on top of images, tap on the image, then the editing drawing icon. And to add a guide to the drawing canvas, tap More and Show Grid. Now choose your preferred grid and tap Accept. You can also add images or drawings to an existing note by tapping the Add button. To record voice notes, tap on the voice icon and speak. Our company helps people to start, explore, and succeed online. It will generate notes in two formats, one in text and one in voice. Another important part of a smart note-taking strategy is having organized notes because they will be elegant and quick to access. Google Keep has some useful organizational tools. You can change the color or background of your notes by tapping on the palette icon. There are various colors and backgrounds. Choose the one that best suits your note. To pin your important note, tap the pin icon. It will stick to the top of your Keeps feed in a separate section for easy access. Adding labels to note is another way to stay organized in Keep. Tap on the actions and select labels. To add a label, enter a label name and tap Create. Check the box for each label you want to add. All of your labels are listed in the menu in the Labels section. When you tap on a label, it will display all its notes. To edit labels, tap Edit. Find the label you want to change and select Edit. When you don't use a note but want to store it, you can archive it. To access the archive, go to Menu and Archive. All your archived notes are listed here. To unarchive a note, tap the Unarchive. Google Keep Reminder feature is one step ahead of other apps with a location reminder. For instance, when you arrive at a specific location, it will remind you of its note. To set up a reminder for your note, tap the reminder icon. There are some preset times and places as well as pick a date and time and place options. You can set the reminder to repeat itself. To edit it, tap the reminder at the bottom. The reminder for your note appears below the note text. And to view the upcoming ones, go to the menu and select Reminders. Here you will see all notes with upcoming reminders. To share a note with other people so they can view and edit it, tap Action then Collaborator. Enter the person's name or email address and tap Save. Anyone you share with can label, color, archive or add reminders without changing the note for others. And remember, if you delete a shared note that you own, it will be deleted for everyone. If you want to share a note but don't want others to edit it, then go to Actions and tap Send. Now select Copy to Google Docs or Send via other apps. When you have a lot of notes, use the search bar to quickly find them. Enter the words or label name you are looking for, or tap the icon to filter your results by types, labels, things, people, and colors. You can search for photos based on the text they contain. And to apply actions to multiple notes at once, select some notes by tapping and holding the initial note and then tap the others. In the top bar, it will show the selected amount here. You can pin, set a reminder, change the background and add labels to these notes. To see other options, tap More. You can change Google Keep settings by going to Menu and Settings. The first section is about display options. These two options are for lists. Switch it on to add new items to the bottom. And if you want to move checked items to the bottom, switch this one on. Then there is Display Rich Link Previews. Means when you add a link to a note, you want to see only the link or a preview of the page. In the theme option, there are three modes: light and dark, as well as your system default one. You can change the default reminder times in this section. At last, if you disable sharing, future notes can't be shared with you, while you can still share notes with others. When you delete a note, it goes to the trash. To restore it, select the note and tap Restore. You have 7 days to restore a note. To permanently delete a note, select a note, then tap More and delete forever. To empty your trash, tap More and empty trash. And that's it. You have gained a good understanding of Google Keep's interface, features and tools. Now you are a smart note taker. Next time, take quick and organized notes in Google Keep and let your mind free to explore ideas.